So we are in Brookline, New Hampshire, and we're about to do this little trail called the Andres Institute of Art. I will read from my map's little bio thing. Andres Institute of Art is a public sculpture park in Brookline, New Hampshire. It is the largest sculpture park by area in New England, founded in 1996 by local benefactor Paul Andres and sculptor John Weidman. Its collection of more than 80 metal and stone sculptures are distributed over 140 acres on Pontenepo Hill, the site of a former ski area. The sculptures are situated in a variety of garden and forested situations, spread over 11 hiking trails on the hillside. So probably won't be able to see every single sculpture, but we're gonna go explore for a little bit. No more maps. That's cool. I don't know which one I want to do. All right. We're gonna go this way. I want to go that way, but I don't know why. I have a feeling we should go this way. Ah, Zimbabwe, cool. Big old donut eating itself. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, we don't want to go that way. We're gonna go this way. It's hard to probably see in here, but you can see that ridge line right over there. From Chile. And right behind us, back to this thing. Ooh. Oh, whales. See that? How cool. Those are pretty neat. Oh, we almost missed one. I gotta go look at it real quick. There's another sculpture right there, but we're not going that way, I don't think. Unless it loops back around, but it can pull up the map and look. Yeah, no, it doesn't look like it loops back that way. There's another one right there. Another cool one. And a table. We might actually be going back that way. Cool. Oh, that's a sculpture studio right there. Nice. Yeah, there's a couple over here we're not gonna see, but it's all right. Can't catch everything. That's cool. I saw a few reviews on All Trails talking about how it was hard to follow the trails and they didn't know where to go, and I have not had a problem yet. I know the trails are covered in leaves, but you can still kind of just tell where it goes. I don't know. Plus there's little signs on the trees and they point you kind of in the right direction, so if you end up coming here, yeah, that's all I got to say about that. Fuck it. Getting back, getting back, getting back. So, I still got a little bit of ways to go. Back at the donut. Right up here, there is a paved, or kind of somewhat paved, well, both technically. There's a paved road and another trail. The other trail is not like this. You'll see it in a second. It's more of like a dirt road. And you can take that way too. It's a little more direct to the top than winding around like I did. But I wanted whatever was going to be a little more secluded. But there's a few along the way up this way, and that brings you to the top where we were. So you can come back that way too. There's a bunch of little trails here too on the map that I could probably take and lead back to where I was. So maybe I'll keep recording. Oh, that one's cool. It's like Egyptian steampunk. Looks like I can go that's not the way back to where I need to go, but it looks like that's another way to go. More sculpture trail that way, and more sculpture trail that way. So it's really just, what do I want to do? I think we're gonna go this way. I love all this moss. I just fail, but I'm good. It's slippery there. These woods remind me of when I was a kid living in Virginia. We had a big old patch of woods right behind our house in Quantico, and just all the leaves everywhere and everything. Don't get me wrong, I love living in the mountains of Arizona, but it's mostly pine trees. So, beautiful in the fall, and the winter, and the summer, and the spring, but East Coast has some funky woods, that's for sure.